Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn, and today I just want to pop on over and show you this card that I made as a guest video spot for the greeting farm. So this stamp set that I used is called Gift In, and it's a front back stamp set. So you have Ian from the front, and he clearly looks like he's hiding something behind his back. And then we get the back of him, which is an exact mirror image. So the other style of card that I was thinking of making is a spinner kind of card, because you have both the front and the back image. But here, his hands are empty, but there are 3 different things that you can actually put in his hands. So we've got the gift box, we have some flowers, and then we have a little teddy bear, which is really sweet. And then there's even a sentiment in here for you too, which actually says for you. So I love these front back stamp sets. They're really adorable. You can kind of mix it up. So many times we're used to seeing just the front of an image, but you can create some interesting scenes by having him from his back. And the card that I created is a custom flip card. So this doesn't use any specialty dies really. It just uses an oval die to cut out the mechanism. And then if you have nested shape dies, then you can cut out some additional mats and layers to go along with it. But here we have the front of Ian, and then when I open the card, it flips to the back of him. So I think this flip card mechanism is really perfect for showcasing the front back nature of this stamp. And really, I just used 3 oval dies. So 1 to do the partial die cutting from this edge to this fold, and from this edge to this fold. So that was 1 oval die. I used a second smaller oval die just so that there could be a matte layer and he could be framed a little bit on both the front and the back. So there's a smaller oval die that I used to actually cut out Ian. And then this is optional. You could either use the exact same oval die that you used to cut out the mechanism here, but cut it into the pattern paper. But I wanted a little bit of that white border showing because I was going to use pattern paper, a different pattern paper here as well. And instead of having the 2 right up against each other, I wanted a little bit of a white border just to separate the 2 pattern papers a little bit. And so for making this perfectly curved cut that matches the oval shape, I just took 1 size larger than the die that I used to cut the mechanism. So here's a oval that's 1 size smaller. And then for this matte layer here of this blue pattern paper, it's 1 size larger. So you really only need 3 sizes in the same shape to create this. And you can pretty much create a flip card, I think, with most any shape die. So you can maybe shop your stash and see what you have that might work. If you want to see me make this exact card, my video is up on the Greeting Farm channel. I'll link to it in the upper right hand corner now, and as well I'll drop a link in the description box below. Thanks so much for joining me, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fantastic day. Bye!